5.3, here we are, midsegment of a triangle. What is a midsegment? What relationship does a midsegment create with interior angles? And what relationship does the midsegment have with the side parallel to it? Make sure you watch all the videos. They're going to cover, each little video is going to cover several different slides. Oh, let me see. Okay, so that's the title slide. This is information for note card 142. What is a midsegment? A midsegment of a triangle is a line that connects two midpoints of any side of the triangle. So if you look here at this example, you'll notice the markings, the red markings. This has one tick mark, this has one tick mark. That means that AD is congruent to DB, meaning that point D is a midpoint. Over here, two red tick marks, two red tick marks. That means that AE is congruent to EC, so E is a midpoint. So this DE is a midsegment. So pause me and finish up note card 142, midsegment of a triangle. All right, now let's go on to the next slide. All right, now there's this midsegment theorem. The midsegment theorem is note card 143, and it tells us specifically that the midsegment is parallel to the third side. So right here, I picked a different image and it's a different letter, but that's okay. I have this stuff right for it. But DE is still the midsegment to this whole triangle. And what you need to know is it's parallel. So DE is parallel to AC. Also, there's a special relationship. If it's parallel, you know that these corresponding angles are congruent. And so we're going to keep that in mind when we do some examples here in a little bit. Also, this midsegment is exactly half the length of the third side. You need to know that. So if DE is 5, AC is 10. If I tell you that AC is 20, then you know that DE is half of that. So DE would be 10. So there's a double relationship there, a double half relationship. So right here, DE is half of all of AC. That's true. And then also I added AC is 2 times DE. Pause me and finish up note card 143. All right, note card 144, we're going to be looking at an example. An easy example, but an example at that. Okay. So in this example, we need to look, and why is that? Oh, I can move that. Good. All right, let me see. Let me do purple. No, let me do this. But change the color to pink. Okay. All right. So we need to answer these questions. Yes, we do. Okay. In this diagram, it tells me that the triangle ABC, DE, and F are midpoints. You need to know that. So that means that DE, DF, and FE are all midsegments respectively to their third sides. Okay, so I could change the color here. DE is a midsegment to BC. EF is a midsegment to AB. And DF is a midsegment to AC. Okay, so I know that DE, which is right here, is going to be parallel to that third side. So it's going to be parallel to BC. I need to change well, that says BC. Okay. And then FE, I've got that written in that orangey color. So FE is going to be parallel to that third side, BA. All right. Now, over here it says that if AB right here is 14, what would EF be? Well, it would be half. So EF would be 7. All right. And then next it says if AE, do that in blue. So if AE is 8, so just right here, this little part from here to here is 8, then what would DF be? Well, they're trying to trick you. This is 8, then this is 8 because E is a midpoint and DF is half of that. So it would also be 8. Tricky, tricky. And then it says if DE right here is 6. If DE is 6, what would all